Welcome to Fashion Tales by BR, the place where style meets story. Here, we break the rules, set new trends, and make fashion fun, fearless, and completely you. If fashion is your language, you're in the right place. So, hit that subscribe button and let's create your style story together. Some rules are made to be followed, but in fashion, the real magic happens when you break them. Today, I'm spilling tea on 5 so called fashion commandments you can smash and still turn heads every time you step out. Rule number 1: sequins are only for nights. Sequins have long been trapped in nightlife box, reserved only for cocktail parties, clubs, or New Year's Eve. The old rule said sparkle belongs to the night. But in today's fashion, sequins are shining all day long. Fashion has shifted towards playful glam and personal expression. Daytime sequins are no longer too much, they are a statement of confidence. When balanced right, sequins can look chic at brunch, edgy on the street, or even polished at work. Let's see how to break it right. Pair with casual basics, a sequin skirt with a plain white t shirt, or tone it down with a denim, sequin top under a denim jacket, or with mom jeans, or even neutral layering, a sequin dress laid with a beige blazer or a trench. Celebrities are proving sequins are just for the red carpet. Zendaya rocked a sequin blazer with wide leg trousers for a casual chic vibe, while Alia Bhatt paired her sequin skirt with a simple tee. Sparkle is no longer limited to sundown. The key is balance. Let one sequin piece shine and keep the rest of your look grounded with neutrals and casual statements. So, forget the old rule book, sequins don't wait for midnight anymore. They sparkle just as bright under the sun. Rule number 2: don't wear red with pink. Once upon a time, red and pink were considered sworn enemies. Too similar, too clashing, too wrong together. For decades, stylists swore you should never pair them. But now, it's rewriting the love story between these two shades. Color blocking changed the game. Instead of avoiding color clashes, fashion started celebrating them. Red and pink together radiate power and femininity at the same time. And when styled right, it looks fearless and incredibly chic. Let's see how to break it right. Go monochromish. Pair hot pink trousers with a deep red blouse. Bold but cohesive. One dominant, one accent. Wear a red dress with a bubblegum pink clutch or heels just for the right pop. Mix shades. Think crimson with blush or coral with rose. Different tones keep the combo intentional, not Valentine's Day gone wrong. Celebs are obsessed with this duo. Priyanka Chopra has rocked pink and red gowns, while Valentino made it their signature runway moment. What used to be a clash is now a couture. Keep your accessories neutral. Nude heels, gold jewelry, or a beige bag can tone down the intensity, letting the color shine without overwhelming your look. So the next time someone tells you red and pink don't mix, prove them wrong because together they're not a clash, they're a conversation starter. Rule number 3: don't wear denim on denim. For years, denim on denim was a punchline of fashion jokes. Stylists warned us never to double up, calling it a Canadian tuxedo disaster. But here's the truth: denim on denim isn't a crime, it's a power move. Denim has evolved, with new washes, tailoring, and luxury labels embracing it. Head to toe denim is no longer sloppy, it's chic, edgy, and even runway approved. The stigma left in the early 2000s. Let's see how to break it right. Play with washes. Pair lightweight jeans with a darker denim jacket for the contrast. Accessorize it smartly. Add a belt, heels, or statement jewelry to elevate the look from casual to classy. Celebrities love doubling up. Gigi Hadid nailed the light plus dark denim contrast, while Ralph Lauren took full denim suits to luxury levels. What used to be a faux pas is now a front row favorite. Secret is confidence and polish. A sleek hairstyle, clean shoes, or even a red lipstick can take denim on denim from lazy to legendary. So, the next time you hesitate to pair the denim jacket with your denim jeans, don't. Double denim isn't just wearable, it's iconic. Rule number 4: your bag should match your shoes. Once upon a time, fashion's golden rule was simple: Your bag must match your shoes. Black shoes, black bag. No pumps, no clutches. It was seen as the ultimate mark of polish. But now, matching feels more outdated than elegant. Style today is about personality, not perfection. A matching set can sometimes look too stiff or too by the book. Breaking this rule adds depth, character, and a modern edge to your look. Let's see how to break it right. Play with contrast. White sneakers with a bright green tote, or tan sandals with a burgundy crossbody. Or even color pop. Let your bag be the star. Imagine a neutral outfit, beige heels, and a fairy red handbag. Instant statement, right? Even A-listers have ditched the matchy-matchy mindset. Think Gigi Hadid with sneakers and neon bag. It feels effortless, not forced. Here's the secret. Your bag and shoes don't need to match. They just need to go. Pick pieces that share a common vibe. Maybe the same undertone or the same mood. Sporty, luxe, or casual. That way, your look feels more curated, not chaotic. So forget the old school rule. Matching your bag to your shoes isn't a must anymore. It's an option, and sometimes breaking it makes your outfit way more iconic. Rule number 5. Never repeat an outfit. Fashion once told us repeating an outfit was a major faux pas. If you wore the same dress twice, you were lazy, broke, or simply not stylish enough. But today, repeating outfit is not only acceptable, it's powerful. In the age of sustainability, fast fashion backlash, and conscious styling, outfit repeating is now celebrated. It shows confidence, responsibility, and most importantly, personal style. Kate Middleton and Zendaya can rewear outfit in front of millions. Why can't we? Let's see how to break it right. Restyle it. Add a jacket, belt, or scarf to transform the same base look. Change accessories, swap heels for sneakers or a tote for a clutch. And suddenly it's a new vibe. Or even play with hair or makeup. Even a subtle beauty changes makes the same outfit feel fresh. Kate Middleton has repeated her favorite Alexander McQueen gowns at royal events. Zendaya has reworn vintage couture pieces, and Kate Blanchett famously restyled an Armani gown for the Oscars. These women prove repeating isn't boring, it's iconic. When you repeat, focus on reinvention. Change the context, and the same outfit suddenly tells a new story. Style isn't about never repeating, it's about making the same piece feel brand new every time you wear it. So, wear the outfit again and again because true fashion icons don't fear repeating, they own it. Fashion is supposed to be fun, not prison. The next time someone says you can't wear something, smile and wear it twice. Which fashion rule are you breaking next? Tell me in the comments. And if you love today's dose of style rebellion, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss a style story because on Fashion Tales by BR, we don't just follow trends, we create them. Thank you.